In today's video, I'll show you on how you can use ramps or slopes in auto build. The first thing that you want to do is to head over to your level editor, and from here just click on build, click on the first category of blocks, and then you want to navigate through the last page of this category. We have three auto blocks to choose from, which is going to be square, the slope, and the other slope preset. So let's go ahead and say that we want to put an auto block right here. Just click on the edit special option, and then you want to navigate through the browser. You will then be taken to the template on which you can then select on the template that you want to do. But in my case, I already have selected one. You can just navigate through the browser options or the template options right here. So to make things easier, I'll just go ahead and place my template right here. And from there, I can then simply start building right away. So let me just go ahead and do that real quick with this slope right here. So I'm going to put some slopes on this specific bar. And from there, I have managed to do ramps or slopes in auto build. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.